This tutorial deals with resizing images proportionately and disproportionately on Canva. Here I have a default random template that I opened in Canva with a picture frame. Let's drag an image over. Now, to resize this image, we would double click on it, and now the image handles show up, and we will use this to resize. If you have an image that does not have the subject in the center of the frame, but you want that, you can use Canva's new Smart Crop button here. So watch this subject. And now the subject is automatically put in the center. Let's go back. So I'm gonna drop another image in. This image has the parent's head being cut off. Double click the image. We can move it left or right, but we can't move it up and down to fit both parents in the box. We can resize, we can make it larger, move the mom over and fit her in nicely. And we can also move the dad and the son over and fit them in nicely. But what if you want all of them to fit in a little bit better than they were? That's where resizing the image disproportionately comes in handy. And you'll need some keyboard shortcuts to do that. Hold the Shift and Alt key and resize the image. So we can bring it in left and right, or we can elongate it. Don't want that, but now we have a little bit more of the mom's head, a little bit more of the dad's head. We don't want to squeeze it in too much because then it really looks bad. But I think that right here is enough to get a better input of that image. So that's it. Resizing images proportionately and disproportionately on Canva. If you like this tutorial, please drop a like. And please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed to my channel.